Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 9th of September to the 17th of September. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Libra, I don't have messages for you. Not unless I think about what I was thinking about yesterday or the days previous to me doing this reading. I always have messages and they slip. Let's go, Libra, the Justice card. Let's get some of these for you. Let's see what your inspiration for today or tomorrow is. Oh, my message. Libras, I'm getting the transgender community wants to speak. Libra, I'm getting something about a lot of men who are finding out that you like men who look like women, but when you take off their clothes, they have a penis. Now, does that make you not straight? You are not straight. But I'm getting that is what you're sexually attractive to. So I don't know if you're a person who is, I don't know if you'll come out one day and just be with this girl who is actually like she's love her genitalia. But I'm getting that's what you like. I'm getting, and I know that like the transgender community Libra might talk about how them get bullied and blah blah blah. You know, I said this already so much time on my channel, I'm gonna say it again. You would be very surprised at the men who did not know that they like to be around, socialize, and look at a man who looks very feminine and dress up like a girl, and when them have sex and them take off our clothes, them see are erected. So I'm getting, I don't know, this is something you're dabbling into or you're finding out you like trans girls, trans men. The ones who have penis, not the one them are fully transition. Can you imagine it with a guy? Yeah, so she's a transgender 10, but she cut off her penis. That's a 5. She's a transgender 10, but she has a vagina now. Ugh. You know, I usually date transgender girls, but I prefer them with their penises. Why do you think you had to get a vagina? I mean, it's your body, your choice, but I'm just saying, I prefer, when I date trans, yeah, I just prefer, because don't both of them in the same category. The transgenders who look like girls and have penises, and the transgenders who look like girls and don't have a penis anymore, don't is the same category? Or both of them is the same category as women. So where that leave me? Anyways, right. I'm getting something about that to Libra. I don't know if you look on and you saw a recommendation and you click it and you were very curious. Because I know enough girl, me hear a girl say them watch man and them get horny. And them say them never think them would ever get horny to that. So I don't know if you see them things that you have to be careful when you explore them. The Bible talk about lust. The Bible talk about these things. Why in your head and what come out, you have to be careful. It will drag you. I'm getting the devil card. The devil card, I'm getting a sudden obsession. This could be Libra, you find out you like to watch very taboo things, but you wouldn't do it. You will watch people cheating, but you're not cheat. You will watch threesomes, but you're not participating in a threesome. You will watch girl and girl, but you're not meant a girl fuck you. I don't know what this is, Libra. I'm getting the devil card. Let's go. I'm curious to see what's happening. Did I pull one of these for you? No? Yeah? Maybe? Let's go. I'm not remember if I pull it. Let's go. I'm getting the devil. This is the devil card. Take a 30-minute break from your phone. So I'm getting your visual senses need to be reset. If you notice you scroll through social media and you're bored, yeah, I'm getting your full up on nanobots. Go on YouTube and type in AI nanobots detox and listen to that frequency for an hour and tell me you don't feel better. I'm getting you full up on nanobots. I'm getting you scroll. I'm getting you bored. You're not scrolling and seeing content and laughing, you're bored. Yeah, try to find something for watch, everything you're bored to. Yeah, spend 30 minutes off your phone. Yeah, take a break from your phone, 30 minutes, come on. How long can you go without your phone, without looking at your phone? Someone, you know, man, you cannot stop looking on the phone. Look on the phone more than look on the fucking girlfriends. Let's go. So technology, yeah, Libra, yeah, look on your phone. Yeah, come getting, yeah, look on something. And to spark your curiosity, you need to be careful. These are the things that will send you into an emotional spiral, and you start battle with not only porn addictions but different sexual acts with porn where you never really used to. Let's go. We have the Knight of Swords. So something is moving fast, quickly. We have a Ten of Swords. Did somebody catch you watching something? I'm getting you do something and you say, I'm getting something got caught so fast. So fucking fast. I'm getting somebody Spanish or somebody Asian. But he's a guy, he's not a girl. We have the Emperor. So is this you? Libra. I'm getting a big Emperor, big wealthy man. Okay, so that's what you like, that's what you like. Is it something about you? I don't know what this is. We have the Fool card and we also have the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting you walking in on somebody while them have sex. You're walking on someone. Something like that. I'm getting you come home from school or you come home from work and you're walking and you're seeing something. I don't know if you see two people having sex together or you see somebody watch porn. But I'm getting something very taboo. I'm getting you walking in your seat. I'm getting but this big Emperor. I don't know if you're your father or your boss. I'm getting something about two men. Two men here. Something about men. You're walking on your boss. Or something about this boy that look like a girl. Not sure if there's a girl who you want dressed like a boy. Maybe it's the opposite. Maybe it's not them want take off a girl looking face and see a penis. Maybe them want you look like a boy. And when them take off your clothes, them say a vagina and breasts. Maybe that's what it is. So I don't know if somebody want your role play. You start off in men's clothes. And you're going to chill with them like that. You're not going to act like a man. Just start off in a man clothes. Then when take off the clothes. When they take off the clothes and say a vagina, they're going to be so hard. Might be something like that. Make him put on film clothes. You want a role play? Okay. Make him put on... They go to buy fucking boy clothes, right? Put on film clothes and make him take off film clothes off of you. See how easy that was? Okay, let's clarify. We have the Four of Wands. Something in your home. Me getting you come home and you're seeing something. Me getting something move fast. Like fast. Ten of Swords, clarified by the... We have the Emperor too. Who you say? Me getting you see two big man together. I don't know if it's a gentleman's club where you can go. And the gentleman's club, you have boy, like man with... I don't know, this is a massage parlor. Maybe getting a massage. Getting whoever getting a massage is not a girl. The Ten of Swords is clarifying the Emperor. Yes, something about your secrets. The Devil, something about like what haunt you. Something about your sexuality. Is this something about you have had sex with a transgender person before? I'm getting something to haunt you. The Emperor is clarified. I told you, and it's right here. It's not clocking. It's not fucking clocking to you. It's not clocking. It's not clocking to y'all. What the fuck I do? You think the Lemon Illuminati been taking my ideas since I was born for no reason? Yeah, the devil. Be careful. Yeah, me hear one girl say she see two gym man, two man that don't look gay. They're not feminine gay, they're the masculine gay. Me hear them say two men that have sex and it turn them on. She was so hard if I see them have sex together. No, me getting obviously this is something where you're just considered to be taboo. Yeah, me getting I say it's two men that have sex together, two emperor, and you say, whoa. This could be something about two men. The devil card. Two men want to share the same girl. It could be that. Two men. It's two of them. Me getting two emperors. Here we go. Me getting you serve two masters. They say you can't serve two masters. Well, do you serve your mom and your dad? Then you can serve two masters. Okay? You don't pick one and serve one. Me getting two men. You have two men who you... Me getting you have two... Me getting it's two of them. Two emperors. Two CEOs, two bosses. Me getting is two. Now we have the devil. So something very taboo. Two want to have sex with the same girl. It could be something like that. I'm not sure if your boyfriend is bisexual, or your boyfriend have sex with men and you have sex with you. I feel like if two men used to have sex, they meet a girl and know both of them want to have sex with each other and both of them want to have sex with a girl. Me getting, this is something you have to talk about, it's true. Me getting your third gay man straight. Me getting you're making two gay men consider letting in a female in them bedroom. It would be the equivalent of you considering, you know, like two lesbians. Them say you want to bring a man in the bedroom. And we still going kiss, but the man will watch with and two with the man. Me getting two men only considering bringing a girl into the bedroom for some reason. The devil. Fucking me say the devil. You see when you start, because you have to talk, and this is sometimes why enough marriages mash up. The money is okay. Your partner cheat or your partner distant. You don't know what them I deal with. Now some people say watching porn is cheating. To me, if you text another girl, that's cheating. If you go over another girl's house and you never did touch her, that's cheating. To me, if you watch porn, I don't think that's cheating. It is awkward though if like me and you were sitting down and you turn on a porn for us to watch and the girl was not like me. It would be a bit awkward. Because I don't know how to take it. That's like me and you sit down, he's a white man, he's a black girl, and me I turn on porn with this big black dick. How would I feel as a white man? You'd have a black girl to that? Maybe you would. But the same. Suppose you have a black girl and a white guy and I watch porn. What kind of porn you watch together? Is the girl white and the man black? Is the girl black? It look like with a couple. The girl, yeah. And sometimes you have to ask them man you too. When the man say them want to date you, sometime in my head, I say sometime you have to ask them, you watch porn, what kind of porn you watch? Because if you watch white girl porn, why you think you want to fuck me? When that's what you're watching. Usually when people watch porn and watch it, that is me here. Me here, Tia Mori. Tia Mori say, I don't really watch porn because the girls in porn, they don't really have the same body as me. And then Gina me. Here Gina, that fucking Asian. Here she, you have to watch amateur. Where the girls' bodies are real. Yeah, because girl body not porn, not real. That's not real. That's Botox, that is injection, that is bleaching cream. Go on Amazon, you can bleach your nipples to make it lighter and your asshole. Try pink something, not pink pantries, pink something in name. Porn people bleach them foreskin, them asshole like all the fucking time. So again, when people usually watch porn, they will watch what is closest to them. This is something watch porn, me getting in a close to you. Or I'm getting guy on guy, the devil. So now when you watch this porn, I don't know if you are releasing to these porn when you watch them, but me getting, there's going to be a demon inside of who are gonna make you try to explore it. You also explore it in the real world. You might hook up, you might start talk to men more sexual, and if you find men who are okay with it, then, but me getting something you fight with, because maybe you're saying as long as I think about it, but me don't do it, it make it good, it make it okay. Well, if you think about molesting a baby and you don't do it, is that okay? So at what point those thoughts cross the line? Because you go to, so let's talk about the devil. The devil is here. Hello, Baphomet. Hello, Lucifer. The devil is here. Okay, so if a man never ever did molest a baby, and he say him have thoughts about doing it, but he never did it before, does it make him guilty? Him say, I never ever touched a baby before. I never touched a child before, but I have thoughts and I control my thoughts. Is he still rehabilitated to society? Can he control his urges? It's the same thing. You have thoughts about something, but the devil are gonna pull you for try it out in the real. Ask how much girl who did watch lesbian porn before them had sex with girls. Is the urge to pull it out of them for try it in the real. Then you have certain type of people, I feel like it's very stoic people, or people who really, me getting you have a spiritual. You have a spiritually strong for can watch sin but don't participate in it. The devil. I knew this shit would have came out. I knew it. One more. And we have the 5 of Wands. I'm getting is 2 emperors fighting? Listen, guys, you don't have to fight. We all can be happy. No, these are emperors. They don't share. Emperors don't share. Not them women. You're fucking mad. This might be a special case, but I'm getting you're mad. It have to be one. It have to be one. So I'm getting it's your time to choose which one you want. Okay, that was great. That was great. Congratulations. That's great. We have Pisces. Something about a Pisces. We have Ophiuchus. We have Metatron. Okay, highest ranking angel, closest to God. We have Gabriel, angel of revelation, delivering divine messages to prophets. And we have secret society. You have for this to happen in a secret society anyways. You don't even know what the fuck is happening. I am going to leave it here. Libra. Justice. I don't know what this have to do with anything, Libra. I don't know if you consider reassignment surgery or what you're considering. They're getting some about 2 men. 2 men who Libra shares. Libra rules the 7th house, which is relationships. Something about having or you might have a relationship with 2 men. One of them you gotta have sex with, but one of them will provide for you. Don't know if them know each other. I'm hearing sponsors. Are you meeting a sponsor? I'm getting sponsor gonna meet you. Sponsor like you. I'm getting one you gotta have. But I'm getting the 2 men them want you. One of them. Okay, so these 2 men want you. I'm getting you see one of them way more attentive. 2 men want you. You see him? He wants you. Him say I'm gonna get you. Him is an emperor. Him study you. Him know for make you laugh on command. Him is an emperor. Him will get along with you. But he's an Aries. Aries is number 1. Him will be a person who don't really study. Your partners, they don't really study. But if you and I is together, him can make you laugh on command. Him know exactly what to say. Him can say, I bet him say this and she laugh. But 2 of them is an emperor, but 1 of them is more attentive. 1 of them. They're more interested for learning and study you. The other one, he's not really interested for study you. He won't get you the same things. He will do the same things as the other one. But I'm getting 1 of them know you're good. I don't know how, but 1 of them know you. Them know. Them say, I bet you say when them come in, them will say this. I will say to pick the one that puts you on them neck. Pick the one that will lift you up. Pick that one there. You have the choice of 2 emperors, 2 men. 2 of them have money. 2 of them are give what you want. But 1 of them like to pick you up and put you on them neck and the other don't. Choose always. Even if you have the same 2 selections of something to choose from, just always choose the one that treat you nicer. That way last longer. And they will make because when you're with certain man, when you say, you know, I'm gonna left you because you can't change, they must say, okay, hope you find better, I'll find better. Then you're there with certain man, and you will say, I'm gonna left you because you can't change, they must say, tell me what to do for change. That's this man. Even though both of them are emperors. That's this man. Him is like, I build my business. Of course I can convince her that I'm a good guy for the rest of the year. Well, it can't be hard to have good communication. I mean, look how much money I have. Oh, this is a good challenge. That's the difference. If you don't want to be don't keep him. I'm going to leave it here, Libra. Until next time. Goodbye.